All right, you guys are going to be working on main idea. We touched up on this right before break. So let's get back into it. Main idea and key details. Before we start, I want to bring up my table that you guys should be used to. This is our main idea table. So the main idea is what the author wants you to understand most. So what was the whole text mostly about? And I used the example, maybe you read a text and the title was dogs, but the first sentence said there are many different types or there are many different breeds of dogs, okay? Your text isn't going to be mostly about dogs. It's going to be mostly about the different breeds of dogs. So keep that in mind, that it's what the whole thing was mostly about, okay? Just like our table, we have the big tabletop, the main idea, the most important part, and then you have the legs are your details that support your main idea, just like your legs support the top of a table. Okay, so you have to have the details to support your main idea. So, ways we look for it. Ask yourself, what did I just read about? What was it mostly about? What was the whole thing about? Look at the title, that might help. Look at pictures, look at clue words or words that are used repeatedly, and then reread the first and last sentence. I can't press that one enough, okay? That's one where we mostly find the main idea, okay? First and last. So we're going to read On the Move, and then you guys are gonna, they identified the main idea for you today, but you will do the key details, okay? So let's read On the Move. Wagons, trains, and cars go on land. Horses pulled wagons long ago. Trains run on tracks. Cars drive on roads. Cars take people places quickly. Next paragraph. Boats go on water. People paddle canoes on lakes and rivers. Motorboats travel faster across water. Big ships take people and things across the sea. Planes go in the air. Many people can ride in them. Planes are very fast. Planes can take people all around the world. Where in the world would you like to go? So what you need to do is the first paragraph is here. Number one is the first paragraph. And the main idea of the first paragraph they have circled is wagons, trains, and cars go on land, just like right here. Remember I said, look at the first sentence. Okay, so main idea, wagons, trains, and cars go on land. Now, it wants me to identify a key detail that supports that. So I need to prove that wagons, trains, and cars, one of them goes on land. So they have the details in the first paragraph underlined for you. You just got to pick one. So let's just pick the one that says cars drive on roads. That's a key detail that supports that they go on land because roads are on land. There you go. That's all you need. You can add another one if you want. We could say horses pulled wagons long ago. And then the last one, you could also say that trains run on tracks. There you go. You got 3 key details that support that wagons, trains, and cars go on land. Now, you need to do paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. So paragraph 2, the main idea is that boats go on water. What does it say about boats going on water? How do I support that, or how do I prove that boats go on water? Okay, so put your details there. Then the last one, the main idea is planes go in the air. Well, I got to prove that planes go in the air. What does it say about planes going in the air?